Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Chite and I'm super excited to finally introduce you to this brand new complete Java tutorial series. I created this series with one goal in mind: to help total beginners like you go from zero to hero in Java programming. Whether you're just starting out or you have a little bit of experience, this course is designed to take you from a complete beginner to intermediate and then onto the pro level, step by step. And listen, this isn't one of those boring classroom style lectures. Nope, it is chill, it is fun, and it's hands-on. We'll be learning code together, laughing a little, making mistakes, fixing them, and leveling up as we go. To really get the best out of this course, I recommend you to code along with me. If possible, you can watch the videos on your phone and at the same time code on a PC or laptop. Trust me, coding with me in real time will help the knowledge stick better in your memory. Now, here's the fun part. If we can reach 1,000 subscribers as a community, I'll be dropping even more awesome coding tutorials for you, absolutely free. And I will be opening a Discord channel and also some other social media accounts so that we can join a Discord community and you get a special notification whenever I release any tutorials on this channel. And a little bonus is attached. At the end of the series, when we finish our final capstone project, which is the cool ATM project we'll be building, I will be picking the next tutorial topic based on your votes. So, after the capstone, drop a comment under the last video suggesting what tutorial you would love next. The comment with the most likes wins, and I'll create a full tutorial series on that topic. I'm giving you all these tutorials absolutely free with love and hard work. So, in exchange, please support by hitting the subscribe button, liking the videos, sharing them with your friends, and dropping comments. Together, we can smash 1K, 10K, and beyond. Alright, that's it for this intro. Grab your PC, open your editor, and let's dive into Java together. See you in the next video.